Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a question that might seem simple but is packed with fascinating science. Why does ice float on water? Have you ever wondered why your ice cubes bob around in your drink? This intriguing phenomenon not only plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, but also has significant implications for our planet. Let's dive into the science behind this cool mystery. At first glance, it might seem counterintuitive that ice floats. After all, most solids sink in their liquid forms. But ice is unique due to its structure and the properties of water. To understand why, we need to explore the concept of density. Density is defined as mass per unit volume. When we talk about objects floating or sinking, it all comes down to their density relative to the liquid they are in. Water, in its liquid state, has a certain density. However, when it freezes into ice, something remarkable happens. The molecules arrange themselves into a crystalline structure that is less dense than liquid water. This phenomenon occurs because of hydrogen bonding. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a slight positive charge on one side and a slight negative charge on the other. When water freezes, these molecules form a lattice structure that holds them further apart than in liquid form. This spacing creates a larger volume for the same mass of water, resulting in ice being less dense than water. To put it simply, because ice has a lower density than liquid water, it floats. This is a rare trait for a substance, and it has profound implications for our environment. The fact that ice floats is crucial for aquatic ecosystems. In colder climates, when lakes and rivers freeze, the ice forms a layer on top of the water. This layer acts as an insulating barrier, preventing the water below from freezing solid, allowing aquatic life to survive beneath the ice during winter months. If ice sank, bodies of water would freeze from the bottom up, dramatically altering ecosystems and threatening the survival of fish and other aquatic organisms. This unique property of water is also vital for climate regulation and affects global weather patterns. In conclusion, ice floats on water because it is less dense than its liquid counterpart due to the unique arrangement of water molecules in a crystalline structure when frozen. This fascinating characteristic not only shapes our everyday experiences, like enjoying iced drinks, but also plays a critical role in maintaining life on Earth. Thank you for joining us to explore this captivating topic. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What other scientific mysteries are you curious about? We'd love to hear from you.